students, in present video I am going to explain about 11th problem from bank reconciliation statement topic. I am taking this question from Telangana State Telugu Academy Inter First Year Accountancy Textbook. But this video is useful to all commerce students who want to know about bank reconciliation statement topic. So on BRS topic, for degree students I made some videos. In first video I explained the concept of BRS. So that video link I am giving in the description box and I am leaving in the iCards. So I request you to watch that video first, because to understand the present problem, knowing the basics of BRS is very important. Let us see the question. 11th question is on the board. On 31st December 2018, the cash book showed an unfavorable balance 29,000 rupees. As per cash book, unfavorable bank balance is given. With that, we have to start the problem. Heading is bank reconciliation statement of dash, because firm's name is not given. As on this date, 31st December 2018. Table format, particulars, inner amount column, outer amount column. So as per cash book, unfavorable bank balance is given now. With that, we have to start the problem. So write down that sentence. Unfavorable bank balance as per cash book 29,000 rupees in outer column. Unfavorable balance means overdraft bank balance. Means from bank firm took loan. Favorable bank balance means we have money in the bank account. But here they have given unfavorable bank balance. Next, all these are the reasons for disagreement. First reason, checks had been deposited into bank but not collected 4,530. BRS is prepared by the firm. So analyze from firm's point of view. Somebody has given check to us. Actually speaking, we should go to their bank. We should collect the money from them. But we are also maintaining bank account now. Instead of going to their bank, we deposit this check in our bank. So our bank collects money from their bank. It will be deposited in our account. Then bank balance increases. With us, which book is there? Firm prepares cash book now. Bank balance increasing cash book means which side? As per cash book, increase should be on debit side. So debit side amount 4,530. Bank balance increased as per cash book. In passbook, if really that money is collected, then in passbook they record on credit side. But what happens, see, not collected. So nothing was credited in passbook. This was happened. If it is a favorable bank balance, how to do this problem? In previous videos I explained. So as per cash book, if a favorable balance is given, what is the rule? Adjust cash book as per passbook. As per passbook, if bank balance is constant, here also we have to make the balance constant. As per passbook, if bank balance increases, we should increase in cash book. If bank balance decreases, we should also decrease. But here, not favorable bank balance, unfavorable bank balance is given. Overdraft bank balance is given. So actually speaking, because of this transaction, how the overdraft bank balance will get changed, that we should analyze. So what is the effect of this transaction on overdraft bank balance? We should analyze. So favorable bank balance increasing or decreasing, how we used to analyze in previous problems. Here unfavorable bank balance, OD balance is increasing or decreasing, we should analyze. But instead of going with this, I will tell a simple technique to you. That is, when overdraft bank balance as per cash book is given, OD as per cash book is given, while writing, write down that sentence only. But while analyzing, think that favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. In previous problems we did, when favorable bank balance as per passbook is given, what we do? We adjust passbook as per cash book. So as per cash book, if bank balance is increasing, in passbook we increase. If bank balance is decreasing, we decrease here. If bank balance is constant, here also we make the balance constant. So that rule we follow now. Passbook, we should adjust as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is increased. So what we should do in passbook? We should also increase passbook balance. Then passbook balance will remain same with cash book balance. So final answer is, in passbook 4,530 we should increase. Answer came as increase. If answer is increase, we should add. If answer comes as decrease, we have to subtract. So this one we have to add. What is the sentence? What happened here? We have deposited checks, but this check amount not collected. So checks are deposited but not collected. Amount in outer column 4,530. Addition means in outer column we should write the amount. Subtraction means in inner column we should write. A completed. Come to B. A check issued to Karthik Reddy, the supplier, has not been encashed 5,040 rupees. Check issued means what? We are firm. We have to pay money to one supplier, 5,040 rupees. Instead of paying money, we have given a check to him. That is called check issued. Then what that supplier does? He goes to our bank, he presents the check, he takes the money. Bank balance decreases. With us cash book is there. We assume that supplier went to bank, he took the money, our bank balance is decreased as per passbook. In cash book we also decrease. In cash book decrease means which side? Credit side. Credit side 5,040 rupees they have written in cash book. So bank balance is decreased. Favorable bank balance is decreased. Actually unfavorable bank balance is there. But our assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. Therefore, by taking favorable bank balance only we are analyzing. Favorable bank balance is decreased as per cash book. When they record in passbook, if really that person goes and takes the money, then only see what happened. Has not been encashed means that person didn't go to bank. So as per passbook, balance is not decreased, constant. Now, our assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. Then what is the rule? Adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is decreased. So in passbook, we should also decrease, Answer is 5,040 rupees we have to decrease in passbook. Answer came as decrease, means subtract. First point. Sentence, we issued a check, but check is not presented for payment, Mention that. Check issued but not presented. You can write but not encashed. Okay. Amount 5,040 rupees. Subtract. So write the amount in inner column. Next. See bit. There was a debit entry in the passbook of 600 rupees for bank charges. Our banker is giving so many services to us. In favor of us, they are collecting check amounts. When we are issuing check to suppliers, they are giving money to them. So sometimes we deposit money in our bank, sometimes we withdraw money from bank. So all these services are not at free of cost. Time to time, from our account, bank takes some charges, known as bank charges. First, who knows about this? Bank people, because they are only taking. Means, first time in which book it was entered? In passbook by the bankers. And when they deduct that amount, our bank balance will decrease. I am talking about favorable bank balance. Because my assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. Amount 600 rupees. In passbook, decrease means debit side. As per passbook, 600 was debited. There was a debit entry in the passbook, 600 rupees for bank charges. In cash book, what happened? He has not given. But we should remember this point. In BRS lesson, if any amount is recorded in one book means not recorded in another book. You need not to clearly mention that. Otherwise, if any amount is wrongly recorded in one book means correctly recorded in another book. Always we have to keep this point in mind. So recorded in passbook means not recorded in cash book. In passbook decrease means debit side. In cash book decrease means credit side now. But they have not credited. Now, our assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. Then what is the rule? Adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is constant. But we have decreased here. Now this decreased 600 we should cancel. So how to cancel that? If you increase 600 again, then this decreased 600, increased 600, both will get a cancel. Finally, as per passbook also, bank balance is constant, not decreased, not increased. So finally, this is our answer. 600 we should increase. Increase means add. Sentence, bank charges debited in passbook only. Amount in outer column 600 rupees. Last point, bills worth 2000 rupees were discounted but dishonored. This is 11th problem now. In 10th problem also he has given the same point. And in 10th problem clearly I have explained about this. So that video link I am leaving in the description box. Bill means bills of exchange. Discounted means sold to bank before the due date of the bill. Dishonored means bill money was not paid by drawee. So I am firm. I sold goods to one person. Value 2000. So that person has to pay 2000 rupees to me. I want a return proof from that person. So I prepared one bills of exchange. I took signature from him. That is called acceptance. So to me, this bill is bills receivable. Because in future on this bill I am going to receive money. For me, bills receivable is an asset. And from that person's point of view, same bill is called bills payable. Because on this bill in future he has to pay the money, no? For him that is a liability. Bills receivable is an asset, bills payable is a liability. Now we are preparing accounts in firm's books now. BRS we are preparing in firm's books. Think from firm's point of view. So this is bills receivable. Assume we have given 2 months time to that person. So after 2 months from that person how much we have to receive? 2000 rupees. But before 2 months only, assume we need money. 2000 rupees we need. First we put one proposal to that person only. So we need money now only. We have given 2 months time to you. But before that date only we need money. Can you pay that amount? If you pay, we will give discount to you. So that is known as return settlement of a bill under rebate. If that person has money, then immediately we will pay. Because for him also that is profit, no? Rebate he can enjoy. But assume money is not there with you. Then naturally he will refuse. But we need the money now only, before 2 months. Then we have an option. That is, we can go to a bank, we can sell the bill to bank. That is known as discounting of a bill. So selling the bill to banker before the due date of the bill is known as discounting of a bill. When we discount that bill, bank will deduct some amount towards discount and the remaining amount they will pay to us. Assume they have deducted 200 rupees. Then remaining amount 1800. That amount will be deposited in our account. And we sold bill to bank now. Now bill is with whom? With the banker. On the due date of the bill, means after 2 months, bank goes to that person and the bank takes 2000 rupees from that person, from our data. So banker is getting 2000 from data, but the banker has given 1800 to us. So to banker, how much is the profit here? 200 rupees. That is called discounting the bill. And on the due date, if that person, drawee, if he pays the money to bank, that is called honored. Bill is honored. If he refuses to pay the money, that is called dishonored. Here what happened? Before 2 months, as we need money, we sold the bill to bank. After 2 months, on the due date, bank went to that drawee, our debtor. Debtor failed to pay this 2000. If debtor pays that money, then we are not responsible. But here, debtor failed to pay the money. Then who becomes next responsible person? We only. Because we only sold this bill to bank. So, bank collects that money from us. How they collect? They need not to come to our shop. They need not to pay. Already our account is with them. From that account, they deduct the money. So, first who knows about this? Bank people. Because they are only deducting money from our account. How much money they should receive from drawee? 2000. So 2000 only they deduct from our account. In passbook, decrease means debit side. No? When they deduct 2000, our bank balance decreases. No? So bank people in passbook they record 2000 they have debited. As per passbook, bank balance is decreased by 2000. See, he is not giving all that information. Simply how he is giving? A bill is there. We sold that bill to bank, but drawee failed to pay the money on the due date. In which book it is recorded, in which book it is not recorded, there is no proper information. But we should know that. So when drawee fails to pay the money, we become responsible person there. Because we only sold the bill to bank. So what bank people do? As drawee is not paying the money, from our account they take. Then our bank balance as per passbook decreases. And you know, in one book recorded means what? In another book not recorded. He need not to give that, we should know that. Now this was happened. And our assumption is favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question. So what is the rule? Adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is constant, but we decreased. Now this decreased amount we should cancel. How to cancel? If you increase 2000 again here, then this decreased 2000, increased 2000, both will get cancelled. Then finally, as per passbook also, bank balance remains constant. No decrease, no increase. This is our final answer. Answer came as increase, no? Means we should add. Sentence, bill discounted but dishonored. Amount in outer column, 2000 rupees. All points you have taken. Finally what to do? Close the table. These amounts total is 36,130 minus only one amount is there, 5,040. 36,130 minus 5,040 is equal 31,090 rupees. This is plus value, no? Because this is more than this. When plus value comes, then the meaning is, in question unfavorable word he has given. In answer also we should write unfavorable word. Suppose here minus value came. Assume this is 55,040 rupees. So subtract amount is more than addition amount, no? Then 55,040 minus 36,130. Minus value comes. No need to write minus symbol. If minus value comes, then here we should change this word. Instead of unfavorable, we have to write favorable bank balance. But as positive value came, same word, unfavorable, we should write. In question, unfavorable bank balance as per cash book is given. So in answer, what we should write? Unfavorable bank balance as per passbook. So this is the end of present video. First you take the screenshot of this. So hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.